Here we are, October 2nd, 2023. Made this yesterday, or started it, got it finished last night. Had to let the glue set up. I cheated on this a little bit. This is my ancient rock moving dolly, and really simple design. Little roller wheels there. And I left this sticking down. It won't roll like this. So you're like, what good is that? But it sits on a plank, and then it allows that plank to be pretty much a conveyor belt. Here, I'll show you. What are you doing? You stay out of the way now. Okay, so here's our plank. Here's our cart. And you get the little wheels on there. And I left these edges long so that it'll stay on the... So I should be able to just very easily... Yep, rolls right on down there. And I think I could also roll it right back up pretty easily. So that just upped my whole rock moving game like 1,000%. Plus I got a lot longer ramp. I was using these little 5-footers and just rolling them up in there by hand. But yeah, this will speed things up quite a bit.